Alright guys, here's the story. In Windows 10 by default you cannot see the Photoshop thumbnails. So when you see a Photoshop file, you will see a thumbnail like this, but this thumbnail doesn't describe the image inside the file. So using a simple tool, you can convert it to like this. You can see these are Photoshop thumbnails. You can see what is inside the Photoshop file. This is pretty helpful. In order to get this, you have to install this free codec pack, that is SAG Thumbs. So this is a free codec pack and you can download this from this source frog and you can install it. Once you download it, you will get a simple file like this and you have to just double click on this file. Once you install this codec pack, your thumbnails will look like this. You can see these are Photoshop files. If you take a look at the properties, and you can see it is PSD files, and you can see these thumbnails, right? That's pretty helpful. So these are JPG files and these are PSD files. So this is how you make thumbnails inside Windows 10 for the Photoshop files. See you next time.
Face to face I found my pain beneath the lies and broken dreams. Lost the love I had in me. It tore me apart, fade away. I felt so lost.